Morning.
Doesn't come in on Lagoon information. Se volete andare a condividere facciamo le iscrizioni, si parte alle 10 del mattino, si rientra alle 5 e mezza in questa banca qua, oppure dovete andare in questa
₹300 tax cut.
fate navigazione, cambiate il prezzo. Scendete, vi aspetta, vi dice anche la
Morning.
How can I help you?
So what's the prices then?
But where do you want to go?
What did you say? It's €30 for an adult.
Sorry?
It says here €30 for an adult.
But this one is departure every day 10 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
For €30 you can spend like 3 hours in Gozo and 3 hours at Comino and Blue Lagoon.
Right. Stuff's too expensive. Hang on. Wait. Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, you?
Yeah, I'm not bad. Do you need any help or information on the boat?
Yeah, prices.
Okay, cool. Which one do you want?
The cheaper is the better.
No, which one? Okay, alright. Right, my name's Charlie.
Nice to meet you, Charlie. My name's Nathan from England.
Stefan, what part of England?
North Yorkshire.
Okay, hello. Oh, hello. Your name is? Kath. Kath, right, Kath. I'm Charlie and I'm from South London.
Oh, South London.
But I'm not the big bad wolf, okay? Right, before you start thinking Cockney boys and all that, okay? Right, I want to ask you some really stupid questions. We've got like 20...
Oh, I've heard there's more stupid questions. So go on, mate. Go on. Ask away.
Okay, what do you want, a boat or a bus?
Well, a bus, but dangerous. A ship, it's sinkable. So there you go. There's your stupid answers to the stupid questions.
Okay, no, seriously, so we've got two boats. Okay, we've got the Fernandez. Okay?
This one here, yep.
That's us.
Yep.
Okay, but we've also got the red boats. Have you seen them floating around?
No.
Okay, we've got they all come out now. Okay, but there's 7 of them. Okay, that go out in the morning. Okay, They leave at 10 o'clock. If you want Gozo and Camino, okay, which I think is a good package, all right, I do. It's called the Best of Gozo and Camino, okay? It leaves here at 10 a.m. in the morning, okay? Right, so are you staying local? Is your hotel nearby?
No, it's at Paul's Bay.
Oh, okay.
We're at this hotel.
Alright, we can pick you up. Alright, we'll get a minibus to pick you up. It's part of the package, I'm not joking.
Is this like an everyday thing you do, Charlie?
It is, 10 o'clock every morning.
Right, because I'm actually at the Marina Park on Saturday morning.
That's no
It's all been arranged for me.
So, do you want to go on Sunday? Anyway, look.
Yes,
look,
I think
right,
Sun-
look, it says, look, free shuttle returns, okay?
Right.
Okay, that's the first point, okay? So, minibus will pick you up about 9:30, okay? It brings you in, okay? At 10 o'clock, that's our red boats, okay? It leaves. Am I on, am I getting done for fraud or something?
No.
Oh, no, I'm joking, no.
I'm promoting your business, so
Okay, right. So, so you go around the back of the cliffs,
Yep.
okay? Really nice, okay? Takes about 45 minutes. When you get to Gozo, the bus is waiting for you. Have you seen our buses?
the buses I've seen are the hop and hop off buses.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's us, right. So, you're in Gozo for 3 hours, alright? Okay. I recommend Shlendi, okay? That's a really nice sandy beach. I recommend Masterform, but for food and architecture, I'd recommend Victoria, okay? Hey, you get on, get off, do what you want, okay? 3 hours later, the bus brings you back, okay? Then the boat takes you to Camino, okay? In Camino, you get off, you've got the Blue Lagoon, go for a swim, do what you want, you're there for another 3 hours, bang, it brings you back at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. That's what it is.
And how much is it though?
Huh?
How much is that, Charlie?
It's 40 euros. Look, it's 40 euros.
Right.
If you want a ticket, all I've got to do is go, boop. Give you bang, all you do is scan it in when you get on the boat.
Is there any chance we could actually pre-book these trips?
Say that?
Is there any chance we can pre-book one?
Yeah, I can book it for Sunday for you right now.
What are you going to do?
Sunday or Monday, I'm not bothered.
Well, listen, I'll tell you the truth, right? I'm not joking, I'm working tomorrow, okay? I'm working this weekend. I'm working Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Or Tuesday off, right?
Right.
Okay. So, if you don't want to go on Saturday,
Well,
No,
I
Dolphin,
can
yeah.
just that day.
listen, right? All you got to do,
I can do Sunday.
you just spin it. Okay, do you know what I mean? So I can book you in for Saturday and Sunday. Do you know what I mean? So either go Saturday. No, you're going Saturday. Where are you going?
You're going Saturday.
I'm going to the dolphin swim.
Okay, no, Sunday. I can book it for Sunday now. Easy. But if you don't go Sunday, I can switch it to Monday.
No, Sunday's fine for us because we're supposed to go to the back on Sunday, but obviously that's been.
No, I'm not going to go to no.
Yeah.
No, I'm not got told. What
It's a good tool. Or you could do that one, right? So that's 40, okay? Now this one is different, okay? But this is all inclusive, okay? So that's 70 euros. But you get your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, your water, your orange juices, your teas, your coffees, beer and wine and all that. So I think that's the better option, the 40 euro one. I'm not trying to scam you, I'm just telling you.
Yeah, the
what-
41.
Yeah.
So you have toilets on there?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
No, it's just that
No, like, seriously, I'm not joking with you. Impeccable, okay? Seriously, impeccable, okay? Toilets, really, it's about 6 toilets, okay? Wi-Fi, air conditioning, whatever you need. Do you know what I mean? So,
Just that's my problem. Is like I'm going to the toilet because like obviously I do swell up quite a lot.
Right.
I'm on water tablets,
right.
and although it's not helping me much over here because it's too hot for me, and it's just because I've got to take the tablets every day, I'm going to the toilet maybe every half an hour to an hour.
No, it's, look me in the eye, okay? My name's Charlie Spiteri.
Yeah,
okay,
how
right,
just-
okay, right, look me in the eye. I'm telling you, there's enough toilets.
Enough
to do
toilets,
okay,
yeah.
look, yeah. We are, I'm not sure, I don't sell Supreme up there, but I'm not sure about them, but I know we're the best. Okay,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
I'm not, we are, it is what it is. Do you know what I mean?
Do you go on Monday then, Nate?
No, Sunday, man.
Well, why don't you book it for Sunday? And if you don't want to
Because
go...
also on Monday we're going to the Wallow Zoo.
Are we?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
I'll do it on Sunday then.
Because Sunday we're supposed to go to the market, but also if somebody wants to go to the market, you might as well just make this thing the actual.
Yeah.
You're going to Marshall Stock, yeah?
Well,
The market on Sunday.
we were supposed to, but
that's a good day out. That is a good day out.
Yeah, but we
if
got-
I wasn't working, that is where I take my girlfriend. Okay.
Yeah, but we got told that people are not nice over there.
Right. No, it's. Do you know what? It's lovely. I'm not just saying it. It's a good day out.
The one with the...
All right, I've got. All right, thank you. Hold it for a second. I was going to scan your tickets for T5DY. GLQ3. GLQ3. Done.
Also, this was Saturday's morning, so I'm going to put it back when I get back to the hotel.
Still.
Right.
Okay, so you're doing Best of Gozo and Camino. Okay, bang, bang. Okay, that's going to be €8. You're paying by cash. Okay, proceed. Fine. Right, I've got to scan your tickets. Right, scan number 1. There you go. Ladies first.
Right.
Right. Let's give it to me afterwards, alright, relax. You're not going anywhere, are you? Come on, chill out.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No, I just like to pre-plan things in advance, Charlie. That's why.
Alright.
So if we pay for it, then we know what we've got left over. Or...
Okay, right, so that's done. So that's 40 from you and 40 from you. Oh, I didn't give you your ticket, sorry.
What? So I get.
No, it's quite important.
Does that mean get for free?
Right,
Oh,
look,
so generous of you,
it-
Charlie.
It leaves from here, just here, about 10 o'clock in the morning,
Yep.
okay?
So we have to get a taxi.
I need to, right, I need your mobile number, okay? Because I need, and your surname, because I need, look, right, I need to call the minibus, right? Yeah, get that sorted for you.
I'm
Yeah,
going to
right,
say, or
yeah.
else we're going to have to get the taxi down, won't we?
No.
You got it.
I broke my shoulder. Can you get it for me? I broke my shoulder about 2 months ago, and it's still not right. Okay, so what is your surname?
Man Peterson.
Right, I'll just put it in Pearson, make it easy, right?
Like Peterson.
Okay, Pearson. What hotel?
Oh,
Our Palace. Okay. Two people times 2. I'm going to have to send a message in a minute. Times 2. And they're going on. What's the date today? Today is
What's the date now?
20 seconds. Was it? Sorry, I should know. I lose track of time working here.
Alright.
Do you know what the date is?
23rd.
23rd. So today's the 23rd, yeah?
Yeah.
So you want it on the 25th, yeah? Okay. 25th.
Yeah, it says 23rd, doesn't it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Right.
25th, okay. And do you have a contact telephone number? Please? Just in case, do you know what I mean? They might need to call you or let you know if you're not there or something, you know what I mean? Okay, cool. Right, so that's 0044. Okay, I'll just send all this information
oh, it's hot.
Cool.
Oh, it's
Alright,
hot,
so
hot,
that's it.
hot,
So all I've got to do, go see my boss, get him to send a message. You'll get picked up about, be outside at about 9:20 in the morning. Alright, okay? And there'll be a minibus waiting for you that'll bring you here and it will take you back on the way home.
Right, so what minibus
Right.
do we know it's them or?
You'll know. Yeah. We've got